Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're trying to make those nighttime diaper changes a little easier on you, you're gonna wanna check out these nightgowns from Gerber, baby. I love that the set comes with 4 sleeper gowns and they're all so adorable. I love the fabric that they're made from. It's a nice lightweight cotton material. It's so soft and it'll keep your little baby nice and warm, but not overly warm because it is pretty lightweight. I love the patterns. It fits my baby so comfortably. They're 0 to 6 months, so you definitely have some flexibility and your baby can wear it for a really long time. Another really nice feature about these sleeper gowns is that it comes with the built-in mitts, so you can just fold these over your baby's hand so that they won't accidentally scratch their face. And the best feature, of course, is the bottom part of the gown. It has an elastic that's really easy to pull up and down for those late night diaper changes. It makes them so much easier. No more zippers or snaps or trying to get their chubby legs into those tight sleepers. And they also have wiggle room for their feet, which is really nice. So if you're looking for some comfy PJs for your little one that are also going to make diaper changing in the nighttime a breeze, definitely get them some of these nightgowns from Gerber. You're going to love them and so will your little one. And that's my point of view.